Introducing the Weber Performer Series Grill, the versatile choice for grill enthusiasts like you and me. Welcome back to Warrior House DIY. I'm JR, and I'm excited to share with you all of the features of the Weber Performer Grill, as well as how to assemble yours. Make sure to stick around to the end for all of the helpful information, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get cooking. Also featured in this video is this custom fit cover. Weber Performer Series Grill is a propane starting charcoal cooking grill. We're going to be using a 1-pound propane cylinder. Easy access to our propane controls. We've got the on and off and the igniter there as well. Cover holder mounted on the side. Top tray also has a pop out, making it easier for loading your charcoals. In this case, I'm popping it out so that you can see. We've also got the briquette holders if you're going to be cooking something like chicken or a steak that you want to get the heat coming out from the outside. Convenient charcoal bag holder on the side. Once you got your charcoal loaded into the basket or the bottom tray, we can go ahead and open up our gas valve. And you'll hear the igniter clicking. After a few minutes, the bottom layer of the charcoal is going to be ignited. You can go ahead and turn the gas off and let the charcoal do the rest, saving your 1-pound propane for just starting. As we wait for our charcoals to get going, on to the other features, you'll see a convenient tool rack right here, a timer built in, as well as this steel prep tray over here. It's going to be easy to wipe down and clean it up on the go.
Now on to the installation. You'll see that it took me less than an hour to assemble this entire grill. My biggest suggestion is lay out all of the pieces and then follow the instructions exactly the way that they are laid out. They really are simple. Weber has done a fantastic job at making this a very easy DIY process.
the Weber Performer Series Grill. This product line has been serving my family well for the last 10 or 11 years, and I encourage you to check out the rest of the details in the description and the links below.